Let's talk about operator precedence. So in Python, this kind of works similar to PEMDAS in real mathematics. So the hierarchy goes, the order of precedence, the priority goes parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, modulo, addition, and subtraction. So let's demonstrate how some of these work. Well, just so you know, in a later tutorial, we'll be talking about parentheses later on in more complex arithmetic. So let's do some mathematical equations. So this following mathematical equation, let's do print in parentheses. Let's do 25 times 15 plus 33 divided by 2.0. This is the same as having A equals 25 times 15, B equals 33 divided by 2.0, and then adding the two together. As you can see, the precedence is 25 times 15, 33 divided by 2.0, and then you add them. So this is basically a simple demonstration of some of the precedence in Python. So let's build that. As you can see, what it did, 25 times 15, 33 divided by 2.0, and we yielded a real number. And then we're also going to demonstrate how this precedence is demonstrated in A equals this expression, B equals that expression, and A plus B. So let's do that, A plus B. We're going to remove this line and then build. As you can see, we had the same result twice. So this is basically the same precedence demonstration as this line of mathematics here. And that concludes this tutorial.